Hi everyone, कैसे हैं आप सब? Turn on the camera guys whenever you are ready. Hi Usha जी, कैसे हैं आप? All good? All
All
okay?
good, ma'am. How about you?
I am also good, thank you. Okay guys, hi Sangeet ji. Okay guys, turn on the camera whenever you are ready and let us start the practice. Okay. Yes, I think some new members are there. Hi Aruna ji,
Yes.
कैसे हैं आप?
Good. I'm good.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so is it your first class today?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. आपने पहले कभी फेस योगा किया है?
No.
Okay.
अभी भी नहीं किया. अभी
Okay.
स्टार्ट किया.
It's okay. We need any kind of oil, moisturizer और कुछ भी lotion वगैरह कुछ भी as a moisturizer हमको चाहिएगा क्लास के बीच में. So just take it quickly. Yes.
Give a minute.
Yes. Okay, and guys, everyone just mute yourself. Yes. Hi Gitanjali ji. All good? All okay? Perfect. Okay guys, let us start the practice quickly. Sit in any comfortable position. किसी भी ध्यानात्मक आसन में बैठ जाएंगे. Joint your index finger with thumb. ज्ञान मुद्रा. दोनों हाथ घुटनों पे, कमर सीधी. And gently close your eyes. Take a long deep breath in. एक लंबा गहरा श्वास नाभि से. And a long deep breath out. एक लंबा गहरा श्वास नाभि से. Few more time. Do some couple of breaths. Deep inhale. And a long deep exhale. बॉडी को प्रिपेयर करेंगे फॉर प्रैक्टिस फॉर फेस योगा. जस्ट रिलैक्स. नाउ जॉइन योर बोथ palm in front of your chest. एक नमस्कार मुद्रा. Let us start with 3 Om chanting. Inhale. Second inhale. Third inhale. Feel the vibration of Om around you. Feel the vibration of Om in your heart, in your throat, in your whole body. Now rub your both arms first. Some heat between your both palms. Nice. And feel the heatness on your eyes, on your face, on your neck, on your throat. Look at your palm and slowly open your eyes. दोनों हाथों को देखते हुए, हंसते हुए, मुस्कुराते हुए आंखें खोल लेंगे. Just relax. And namaste everyone. Let us start the practice. Okay. Hi Deepa ji, कैसे हैं आप? All good?
Yeah, Happy New Year, all of you.
New Year. Yes. Okay. Hi Viva ji.
Thank you. Wish you all the same. Very happy New Year.
Thank you Aruna ji. Happy New Year to you too. Okay guys. Yes. Now let us start with the Bhastrika Pranayama. Raise your both arms up. दोनों हाथ ऊपर. Yes. हथेलियां खुली रखेंगे and exhale down. As we come down, just simply make a fist. Inhale up 2. Exhale down. Inhale up 3. Exhale down. More focus on the breathing instead of hand movement. Continue. 3. ज्यादा ध्यान अपनी श्वासों पे रखेंगे, इनहेल एंड एक्सेल। जो एम्प्टी स्टमक है वो थोड़ा सा फास्ट कर सकते हैं, बट जिन्होंने खाना खा लिया है वो थोड़ा सा स्लो करेंगे, विदाउट एनी एक्स्ट्रा प्रेशर ऑन द स्टमक। कंटिन्यू, इनहेल अप एंड एक्सेल डाउन, इनहेल अप, एक्सेल डाउन, अप, एक्सेल डाउन। लास्ट 10, लास्ट 9, लास्ट 8, कमर गर्दन सीधी। 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Simply rotate your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Second round quickly. Both arms up and exhale down. 2 and exhale down. 3 and exhale down. Continue. 4. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Last 5 we have. Continue. Last 4, last 3, last 2, and last 1. Relax. Simply rotate your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Just relax. Just relax. Okay guys, now simply let's do head movement. Take your head completely to the right side. Inhale center and exhale to the left. Yes, I think some new members are there. Yes. Hi sir, is it your first class today?
Yes, it's my first class today.
Okay. Have you ever practiced face yoga before?
Never.
Okay. Okay, just kindly mute yourself and let us start the practice.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, now simply in any comfortable position and continue. Take your head completely to the right side. Inhale center and exhale to the left. Okay sir, can you please mute yourself please? Yes, thank you. Continue to the right. Fully stretch your neck. Inhale center and exhale to the right. Yes, संगीत जी, ज्यादा प्रेशर नहीं लगाएंगे आप। ओके, धीरे धीरे जितना भी आप लेके जा सकते हैं। एक बार राइट साइड में इनहेल सेंटर, एक बार लेफ्ट साइड में। यस, इनहेल सेंटर एंड एक्सहेल टू द लेफ्ट। कमर गर्दन सीधी। लास्ट 1, राइट एंड होल्ड। 3, 2, 1. Inhale center and exhale to the left and hold. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale center and exhale. Relax. Just relax. Simply relax. Okay, now take some any kind of oil, any kind of moisturizer, whatever you used, just apply it on your face. Yes. Okay, जो लोग नए हैं उनके लिए we need any kind of lotion, moisturizer, whatever you used. Yes, just apply it on your face. Yes, and start tapping from the forehead. Apply it quickly and forehead से शुरू करेंगे tap करना one by one with the both hand. Yes, 1, 2, elbow should be up. Elbow को हल्का सा उठा के रखेंगे. Yes, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 all over the forehead. Right से left की तरफ, left से right की तरफ. Yes, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. Last 9, last 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Continue. 3. Everybody guys, turn on the camera so I can see how you are doing and I can correct you. Yes. And relax with the first 2 fingers around your eyes. 1 in a circular movement. 2, 3. ड्राई स्किन पे ज्यादा रब नहीं करेंगे। मेक श्योर कि आपने कोई भी मॉइस्चराइजर, लोशन आपने अप्लाई किया हुआ है। यस, 4, 5, 6, आंखों की चारों तरफ। 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3 with the fingertips. Ruchita ji, with the fingertips. You have to slightly bend your fingers here. Yes, like this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Apply some pressure with the fingertips. Yes, pressure should be according to you. ज़्यादा हल्का भी नहीं, ज़्यादा तेज भी नहीं. Yes, and 10. Relax. Beside your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ. Lower to upper. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. थोड़ा दूर से, so we can apply little bit more pressure. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. नीचे से ऊपर की तरफ. 1, 2, 3, 4. Without any facial expression. होंठों को नीचे की तरफ push pull नहीं करेंगे. Lips should be relaxed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Quickly warm up. Yes. Yes. Lips should be relaxed. Everybody, होंठों को बिल्कुल relax रखेंगे, नीचे की तरफ नहीं खींचेंगे. And relax. Now start from the top of the nose towards the hairline. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lower to upper. Yes, थोड़ा दूर से, so we can apply some pressure. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Elbow should be down during this. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulder should be relaxed. कमर गर्दन सीधी रखेंगे. Yes, जो ज्यादा देर तक कमर सीधी करके नहीं बैठ सकते हैं, वो कोई तो भी कुशन वगैरह ले लेंगे या तो पिलो and adjust it under your hips so it will become easier to sit for long. And relax. Now start tapping on your cheeks. Come on the cheeks in a circular movement with the fingertips here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. 5, 6. And we are not going to cover in the front side only. We have to cover the back side of the cheek also. Yes, all over the cheeks. Fully down side, fully कान के आगे, under your eyes. Yes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pressure should be according to you. ज़्यादा तेज भी नहीं, ज़्यादा धीरे भी नहीं. Yes, to increase the blood flow on that particular area. उसके लिए आपको थोड़ा सा और टैप करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा सा और प्रेशर के साथ. Yes, all over the cheeks in a circular movement. Continue everybody, कोई रुकेगा नहीं. Yes, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3. Reverse the direction. 4, 5, 6, 7. अरुणा जी थोड़ा सा और आपको एरिया कवर करना है. सिर्फ सामने नहीं, पूरा चीक एरिया आपको कवर करना है. Yes, perfect. Last 5 we have. Last 4. थोड़ा सा और प्रेशर हम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. Last 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Now around your lips, होठों के चारों तरफ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anti-clockwise, reverse the direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.